Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are well. Yesterday we were discussing about the primary valency and secondary valency. So let me brief you again. Like if I write here, children, Cu2 plus, Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus, cobalt 2 plus. So this primary valency is the oxidation state. Primary valency means their oxidation states. Okay, and it is satisfied by एनायंस. एनायंस ज्वाइन होगा उसमें. नॉन डायरेक्शनल है, किसी भी साइड से ये अटैच हो सकता है. ये सब हमने कल डिस्कस किया हुआ है. ठीक है, एनायंस किसी भी साइड से अटैच हो सकता है. देन कम्स सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी. Secondary valency means it is also known as coordination number. Coordination number. It is satisfied by either by anions or neutral molecules. Satisfied by anions or neutral molecules. Coordinate bond is there. It is directional. Coordinate bond. It is directional. Means direction is fixed. Okay, direction is fixed. Directional means direction is fixed. And spatial element is also fixed. Is also fixed. So if I write here example, let me show you K4 FeCN6. So I will write here FeCN6. Okay, let me show you. If Fe is here, Cn, 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 Cn and Cn. So all the electrons are donated by Cn only. Fe is not using its own electron. So you see here, Fe is not using its own electron. Metal ion, that is Fe, is surrounded by anions like Cn minus. So this is known as the coordinate bond is present, and so the coordination number is 6. This is known as coordinate valency या secondary valency. Correct? Now today I will tell you about ligands. So what are ligands, children? Ligands या ligands, whatever you pronounce it. So ligands are neutral molecules or ions. First point is, what are ligands? So ligands are neutral molecules or ions. Okay? They have one or more electron pair. They have one or more electron pair. Correct? Then they donate electron pair to central metal atom. They donate electron pair to central metal atom. They are Lewis bases क्योंकि वो डोनेट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन. As they donate electrons, so they are Lewis bases. Correct? They form coordinate bond with the central atom. Atom. In between explaining the ligands, I must tell you about what is a coordination entity. Coordination entity. When a central metal atom or ion is bonded to a fixed number of ions or molecules. When a central atom, कैसा atom? Metal atom. When a central metal atom or ion is bonded to a fixed number of ions or molecules, then it is known as a coordination. Coordination entity. Like if I talk about example, लिखो यहाँ पे example cobalt Cl3, ये cobalt है बेटा, cobalt Cl3 NH3 thrice, in which cobalt is surrounded by 3 ammonia molecules, 3 NH3 molecules and 3 chloride ions. ठीक है? So this is known as a coordination entity. Okay? And what is the central atom? Central metal atom is cobalt, obviously. So no need to explain central atom. This central atom, like if I talk about nickel tetracarbonyl, so nickel will be the central atom. So central atom we can write. These definitions will not come in exam, but we must understand in a coordination entity, the atom or ion जिसके चारों बाजू कहानी घूमती है, the atom or ion to which a fixed number of ions or groups are bound, ये बात ध्यान में रखना बेटा कि फिक्स्ड स्पेशियल अरेंजमेंट होता है, सो डेफिनिट ज्योमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट है ना, इन अ डेफिनिट ज्योमेट्रिकल arrangement is called central atom. Okay? And about ligands, I told you that ligands are neutral molecules or ions. They have one or more electron pairs. They should be able to donate their electron pairs to the central metal atom. As they donate electrons, so they are also called Lewis bases. They form coordinate bond between the central atom. किसके साथ central atom के साथ coordinate bond बनाता है? Types of ligands. So types of ligands. What are the types of ligands? 2 types are there. inorganic and organic. Inorganic ligands and here organic ligands. Okay. In inorganic there are three types. They are negative and positive and neutral. So नेगेटिव जिसके ऊपर माइनस चार्ज हो, पॉजिटिव जिसके ऊपर प्लस चार्ज हो, एंड न्यूट्रल नो चार्ज, बट दे शुड बी एबल टू डोनेट देयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर उनके पास होना ही चाहिए. सो वी सी हियर इट इज सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स आर NO2 माइनस, NO3 माइनस, देन SO4 2 माइनस, then C2O4 oxalate 2 minus, then NH2 minus. ये सब याद भी रखना है और दिमाग में भी रखना है. कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी देयर. देन क्लोराइड माइनस, साइनाइड माइनस एट्सेट्रा. पॉजिटिव में NO प्लस, NH2 ऐसे लाइन बना दो, NH2 NH3 plus NO2 plus etc. There could be many. Okay. Then neutral में NH3 ammonia, then CO, then H2O, then NO. Right. Then comes organic. Inorganic C5H5N pyridine, then ethane 1,2-diamine, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. I hope everybody remembers ethane 1,2-diamine. Then methanamine CH3, NH2. Okay. So the and etc. Right over. Fine. So in this way, the types of ligands. Now we will understand denticity of the ligands. Denticity of ligands. Okay. So denticity means how many यहाँ लिखूँ ये बेटा. Denticity means how many ligand coordinate bond. How many coordinate bond a ligand can make. That shows its denticity. Okay. Ligand may contain one or more than one donor atom. Okay. So first point is ligand में एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं ना, एक ही थोड़ी जरूरी है. सो लिगैंड में कंटेन वन और मोर donor atom. Then it depends upon how many donor atoms are present in a particular ligand. Donor atoms are present in a particular ligand. How many lone pair electrons are present to donate in a particular ligand? वही डोनेट करना है ना, कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड करना बनाने के लिए. So how many lone pair electrons are present to donate in a particular ligand? How many coordinate bond can be formed by a particular ligand? Now if one coordinate bond is there, coordinate bond, तो unidentate, then unidentate ligand, ठीक है. अगर दो बनाया, if two coordinate bonds, then bidentate या didentate. Okay, if three coordinate bond, then tridentate, and so on, and polydentate. Okay. So in this way, this is known as denticity. You understood, children? एक कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बनाएगा और ये किस पे डिपेंड करेगा, उसके पास लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं या नहीं. लिगैंड may contain one or more donor atom. How many donor atoms are present? How many lone pair electrons are present to make the coordinate bond? How many coordinate bonds are formed? If one coordinate bond, then unidentate. If two coordinate bonds, then didentate. 3, then tridentate. 5, then pentadentate. 6, then hexadentate. And so it is more bonds are there, so polydentate. That means the number of coordinate bond by a ligand is called denticity. If I write an example, cobalt, CO, NH3, 6, Cl3. Then you see that CO is the central atom, cobalt, and NH3, 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 NH3. So there are 6 coordinate bonds with NH3. NH3. So if there are 6 coordinate bonds, one ligand can make one coordinate bond. One ligand making one coordinate bond. So denticity is 1. Correct? This is a unidentate ligand. Then comes, if we talk about CO. So if second example, this is example number 1. Example number 2. NiCO4, nickel tetracarbonyl. So nickel, okay, and tetracarbonyl. So 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in this way, we understand that this is the example of unidentate ligand. One ligand can give one coordinate bond. So there are 4, and here this is the example of unidentate ligand. So denticity is also 1. Abhi is didentate. Like if I write the example here, K3FeC2O4 thrice, ऑक्जेलेट का ऐसा हुआ. सो C2O4 कैसा होता है बेटा, अभी हमने पढ़ा, ये एग्जाम्पल था. C2O4 ऐसा था. ओके, ये ऑक्जेलेटो आयन इसको बोलते हैं, ऑक्जेलेटो आयन. अब हमें ये सब टर्म्स याद रखने हैं. सो इफ आई ड्रॉ हियर, So here I have drawn the structure of C2O4. So you see here C2O4. तो ये दोनों ऑक्सीजन एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको डोनेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. हियर ऑल्सो C2O4 making 2 coordinate bonds. Here also making 2 coordinate bonds. So total coordinate bonds are 6 here. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And C2O4 कितने हैं? 3. But one ligand is making 2 bonds. So denticity is, so here we will write one ligand that is, कौन सा ligand है ये? C2O4 is making 2 coordinate bonds. 2 coordinate bonds. So denticity is 2. In this way denticity is calculated. Okay. So here hexadentate ligand I want to show you. So here I have drawn hexadentate ligand. If you see children, this is known as EDTA ion, ethyl diamine tetraacetate ion. Ethyl diamine tetraacetate ion. The structure will be written as diamine. दिख रहा है तुमको बेटा? So if you see children, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair and 6 pair. So it can make 6 coordinate bonds. So it is a hexa. Should I write here? It can make 6 coordinate bonds. So it is hexadentate. Okay. So in this way we have read about the ligands. Tomorrow I will tell you about the coordination number and other terms.